All right, let's talk Quicksilver's PushCatch Detox. Quicksilver's two-step liver cleanse helps push toxins from the gut with bitter herbs and botanicals and catches them with binding agents for safe removal from the body. This is an expertly designed two-step detox protocol to help support your liver. This is not just your average juice cleanse.
This is a two-step process. First, take Dr. Shade's liver sauce. This blend includes 4 classic drainage botanicals: dandelion root, solidago, gentian, and myrrh. It also has similarian, R-lipoic acid, diindolylmethane, quercetin, and lutein. These phytonutrients help push toxins from your cells and liver into your gut. Step 2, take the Ultra Binder 30 minutes later. It contains multiple binders and soothing prebiotic fibers, not just activated charcoal, so it binds to a wide array of toxins. Having ingredients like zeolite, chitosan, and bentonite clay ensures very effective detoxification. This crucial step prevents toxins from recirculating in the body and keeps those yucky detox side effects that you get with other cleanses and detoxes at bay.
Personally, I detox a few times a year for about a 5-day duration, and I usually recommend a detox to my clients when they start mentioning that they're feeling sluggish, bogged down, brain fog, maybe experiencing dull, tired skin, maybe experiencing a poor diet, drinking too much, or if they just really need a reboot to feel like themselves again. I love Quicksilver's PushCatch. It is my absolute go-to. Get yours today and thank me later.